Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable Caller ID announcement on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows your phone to speak out loud who's calling you, which is perfect when you're driving, cooking, or anytime your hands are busy and you can't look at your screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the phone app on your device. This is the default calling application that comes with your Pixel, and it's where all your call settings are managed. Once the app opens, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon or hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on those three lines to reveal a list of options. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on Settings. This will take you into the phone app's configuration area where you can customize various calling features and preferences. The Settings menu contains all the tools you need to personalize how your phone handles incoming and outgoing calls. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the Settings menu until you find an option labeled Caller ID Announcement. This specific feature controls how your phone verbally identifies incoming callers, making it easier for you to decide whether to answer without looking at your device. Once you locate it, tap on Caller ID Announcement to access its configuration options. Next, you'll see an option that says Announce Caller ID. Tap on this to open up the announcement preferences. This is where you can control when and how your phone speaks the caller's name or number out loud during incoming calls. Finally, you'll be presented with several radio button options that determine when the announcement happens. Tap the radio button next to Always. By selecting this option, your Pixel 8 Pro will announce every incoming caller's identity regardless of whether you're using headphones, speakerphone, or the phone is just sitting on a table. This ensures you never miss knowing who's calling without having to pick up your device. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Caller ID announcement on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, and your phone will now verbally announce who's calling every time you receive an incoming call. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.